Hi, my name's Todd Kennedy. I'm a partner with CCY Architects. I'm here at MOLLIE Aspen where we worked with Delta Millworks. Delta was an incredible partner on this project with this beautiful Akoya wood siding. They helped us really dial in the finish as well as this custom randomized pattern. Really is a way to pull in Aspen's alpine identity. There's this way that when you look through a dense alpine forest, there's sort of random vertical lines that happen. So we wanted to pull those random vertical lines into the materiality of MOLLIE Aspen. At CCY, we work with Delta Millworks on a multitude of projects, the array of products that they have available, how they're available to help us explore finishes, understand how those finishes are going to weather, look at unique milling profiles, so we can really look at crafted, unique solutions that speak to our clients' goals, values, and help create finished product that turn out as excellent as MOLLIE Aspen did.